looking at the background you come from, लोगों को ना बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है कि okay, he is getting a launch because of the privilege, but no one sees the struggle that goes behind it.
Honestly, I don't see it as a struggle. I don't have to pay rent. I don't have to worry about where my next meal is coming from.
The struggle was more to get Karsan Das Mulji right. वो saying है ना, never judge a book by its cover.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened.
Yeah.
एक poster आया and the entire film was judged. For me, getting this film right and not hurting anybody's sentiment and saying it in the most sensitive way possible was the first and even today is the only priority. Film अगर चल गई तो profit, वरना तो आपका घर बिक जाएगा.
When such white commenting happens just before your debut film, does it bother you?
I mean, I think we were all a bit
on the edge.
On the edge.
Yeah.
On edge when the film
बहुत
was
तो करेंगे हम सब human beings ही हैं. It will,
Definitely.
because we know that our intention is pure.
Junit, what did your father say when he saw the film?
He's seen it a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
He liked it. My mom also liked it. It's definitely a tougher audience.
If not Jaideep, who think you can play that role of intense Maharaj?
Irfan Khan, Salman, Amir and Shahrukh. Ikka. Perfect for them. They are the ace of spades for everything.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I can rightly say I am with two of the prominent and most promising personalities, Junaid and Siddharth sir. Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you, Akriti. Thank you so much.
Siddharth, I would like to start with you. You know, I've seen your work, be it We Are Family, Hichki Aaya. You are a filmmaker who deals with sensitive subject with right amount of cinematic liberty, right?
Ji.
Was that the intent behind Maharaj as well?
200%.
Yeah.
I won't ever do anything which will hurt even a fly. So the intent was to tell a story with a bigger message and not to hurt any religious sentiment or any person, so to say. एक पत्रकार है करसन दास मूलजी जो 1862 में he is standing for women and he is protecting what is happening to women.
Yeah.
अपने लिए तो लड़ नहीं रहा, लोगों के लिए लड़ रहा है. Standing for against sati, standing against child marriage, wants widow remarriage. So he's standing for everything that is progressive, but the culture at that point of time or the society at that point of time believed that nahi, you are wrong. So I felt यार ये बंदा इतना सही है कि इसकी कहानी कहे. And इसके लाइफ में एक इंसिडेंट होता है which leads to a Maharaj putting a libel case on him. He says it in the film कि मेरी लड़ाई तो इनके, मेरा कोई व्यक्तिगत बैर नहीं है महाराज से, मेरी को उनके विचारधारा से बैर. For me, getting this film right and not hurting anybody's sentiment and saying it in the most sensitive way possible was the first and even today is the only priority.
But do you think after Maharaj release, the way filmmakers supported the idea, there is a change in perception towards your filmmaking about the industry, if I ask?
Towards my filmmaking, there's no any change in perception. Yeah, Hichki was a more intimate, smaller film.
Yeah.
The only thing that people are now seeing कि oh, this is a big commercial film. इसमें scale है, इसमें गाने हैं, इसमें grandeur है. तो इसमें एक जो आप आज देखते हो larger than life cinema, वो आपको मिल रही है महाराज में. कि you're getting a big cinema feel on the platform.
But when you take such a subject, it involves a lot of risk, and so did Maharaj did. Do you think कि people became too judgmental too early even before watching the product?
वो saying है ना, never judge a book by its cover.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened.
Yeah.
एक poster आया and the entire film was judged. And when they saw the film, they realized कि भाई ये तो community is helping Karsan fight to protect the community. And I'm glad the people are now getting, we are getting that love. You know, Junaid's getting the love for his first film. Jaideep sir is getting the love for playing Maharaj. My heroines are getting love. My writers are getting their love. My producer is. So everybody has put a lot of money, faith and time in this film. So I'm very, very glad right now.
Junaid, how was this 3 years for you? Because it's your debut finally.
We shot it 3 years ago, but I mean, in that sense, Yash Raj is probably the biggest studio in the country today. I had faith that they would give the film its due, and if it takes time, then it takes time.
Yeah.
And that's fine.
But when such white commenting happens just before your debut film, does it bother you?
I mean, I think we were all a bit
on the edge. And,
on the
yeah,
edge.
Yeah.
On edge when the film was
बॉदर तो
coming
करेंगे हम
out.
सब human beings ही हैं. It will
Definitely.
because we know that our intention is pure. ना हमने तो
but-
कुछ गलत किया
Yeah.
नहीं है.
But there was a lot of the people who had seen the film. We done some press screenings. Some industry people had seen the film. We got a lot of support.
Yeah.
I think सबको लगी कि अच्छी फिल्म है और सबको लगी कि ये किसी को hurt नहीं करती. It's genuinely not about religion. It's about community. It's about a society.
And
I think it was-
सबसे बड़ी
that
बात है
gave
कि
us a
the
lot of-
judiciary itself saw the film and we really मैं तो मतलब माथा टेक के प्रणाम करता हूँ to thank and judge the film for what it is and what it's not perceived to be.
Junit, was this role something also out of your comfort zone? I mean, you are a different personality, getting that dialect right, about getting that ideology creeped in you a bit for the character. Is this something out of your comfort zone as well?
I mean, yes, I think it is a challenging part, especially since Karsana Smooji is a real person.
Yeah.
It was a challenging part, but I think it was probably placed just on the line of my comfort,
Yeah,
where
yeah.
I knew I could hopefully get somewhere close.
Yeah.
But it wasn't something that I'd be like, okay, this is something obviously I should not be
We
cast.
do, yeah.
One more thing, poster aaya. Obviously, we were waiting for the trailer, which could not come out. Did that fact also somewhere or the other affected you both? कि maybe the film को अगर एक promote होने का भी chance मिलता तो लोगों का जो perception है वो एक तरह से change होता.
See, I feel that marketing and PR is something that now Yash Raj and Netflix know far better than us. They've been doing
True.
this for years now. I think nobody understands the business better than Adi sir does. So I leave it to their better judgment personally. I'm like, they will always make sure they do what's best for the film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they were doing what is best for the film. They were
Yeah.
genuinely doing what was best and required for this film to be seen
Yeah.
by everybody. And everybody wants their child to be celebrated, like you said. कि आओ तो
True.
पूरे ऐलान में आओ.
Definitely.
पर ये सेंसिटिव फिल्म थी, है. और अब लोगों ने देखी है और सराही है for the right reasons.
And also, आज सुबह आपने post डाला which rightly said कि एक proper casting for a film really matters when it came to Maharaj. Were you also कहते हैं ना एक pressure था कि okay, you are launching Junaid
Right.
Khan, you have someone experienced like Jaideep, there are 2 female forces who are coming.
Yeah.
What was your input in that case?
I think as a director, your input is there everywhere only, na, because it's your vision.
That's what.
But then I got a lot of support from Shanu, the casting director, who actually helped me, and even from Sneha, the dialogue writer, who is a Gujarati theatre actor, and Vipul even. So we got Gujarati theatre actors for small parts, जो दिग्गज actors हैं, बहुत
Definitely.
धर्मेंद्र गोयल, कमलेश ओझा, Ajay Upadhyay, all of them are very, very good. Utkarsh ji, very, very good actors. So along with Jaideep sir, Meher, Vaibhav Tatwawadi, all of them have come for few, एक दो सीन के लिए आए हैं,
Yeah.
पर वो सीन से हमारी फिल्म को उठा दिया है.
Yeah.
तो casting it overall is, like I said, I put a post this morning that it's half the battle won, and
Yeah.
it is half the battle won if you get Junaid with the right people, then automatically वो scene और वो film का दर्जा बढ़ जाता.
Junit, what did your father say when he saw the film?
And he liked it. He's seen it a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
He liked it. He's only critical of his own work. Otherwise, he watches films to enjoy them. He likes watching things. But he,
But he liked it. He liked it. Yeah.
My mom also liked it.
Yeah.
That is a
Bigger.
harder.
Is she
That's a
the
tougher audience.
harshest critic of your family?
He's definitely a tougher audience.
But Junit, before the Maharaj released, I read an article about you. Even before Maharaj, you had auditioned for several films which could not work out. And looking at the background you come from, लोगों को ना बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है कि okay, he is getting a launch because of the privilege, but no one sees the struggle that goes behind it. How do you overlook all of this?
See, I mean, I don't know about struggle really. I don't think struggle is the right word, because I mean, I was studying theatre abroad. I came back in 2017. तब से मैं plays कर रहा था. Even when I would get a call to come and read for a part or test for a part, I would go do it because I mean,
You're an actor,
fun.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
an actor. I don't think there was a struggle per se. I tested not several. I don't know what the definition of several was, but a bunch of things I had gone for, and then finally I got the call for this. So I mean, yeah, I don't
लिखा
see
होता
it.
है, ऊपर लिखा होता है जब
True. I definitely-
Honestly, I don't see it as a struggle. I don't have to pay rent. I don't have to worry about where my next meal is coming from. It's really not such a struggle. And I've been working since 2017. I've been working. I've been a part of 7 or 8 plays.
The struggle was more to get Karsan Das Mulji right. इतने महान इंसान है वो,
Yeah.
and इतने his views are so strong.
Yeah.
To make him endearing, entertaining, at the same time get his अल्हड़पना and उस अल्हड़पना से become from a boy to a man.
Yeah.
And then stand up against, Maharaj. So that struggle for Junaid was the 1 year of hard work that he has given every day to his body, to his art, to his craft, to arrive at the love that he's getting today.
I would like to end this with some quick questions for you both. I'll start with you, sir.
जी.
Okay. TV, OTT, films. Which is the profitable medium you think?
Profitable medium.
Yeah, to work on.
All three, yeah. All three. I do all three.
Yeah, that's what
I
that's
do-
why I
I
asked
do
you this
all three.
question.
TV will take care of your rolling. आपका रोजी रोटी आपके घर पे खाना तो आएगा. OTT takes care, will not give you that much of profit. I don't think
Yeah.
so. Will give you that kind of, but it'll give you the freedom to tell kind of stories if you want to. फिल्म अगर चल गई तो प्रॉफिट, वरना तो आपका घर बिक जाएगा. तो it's totally into that. अगर चलनी चाहिए बस.
Who do you credit for playing a major role in shaping your career? Like a mentor.
सूरज प्रजापति.
And which film of his you love?
I was an associate director on Viva,
Yeah.
and he is a father figure to me, and he is someone I speak to once a week. If I have any doubt, it is Suraj ji I go to, even today.
Okay, a quality about these actors you have worked with and you admire. Junaid,
Honesty and pure heart,
Kajol,
love and love and love. I can't see beyond her. She's my closest friend, and I just love her.
Arjun Rampal,
He's a buddy. I mean, I still call him buddy, and he is someone who is style and swag.
Kareena,
I would still say fab. She's one person who's bustling with energy, and she's outstanding. Outstanding. Bebo is one of the most outstanding actors you can get. You don't need it beyond one take.
True.
Yeah.
Rani ma'am,
What do I say? Naina ma'am. She's Naina ma'am for me all my life. She's the friend, philosopher, guide, who will always be there. Even when I do something wrong, the first call I'll get from Rani ma'am, ये तुमने गलत किया, ये तुम सही करो. So she's that one person who holds me and tells me and can call a spade because she loves you.
if you make a film on these genres, who would you cast for it? Romance.
Romance.
Yeah, who would you cast for making a romantic
Amir
film?
Khan.
Action.
Tiger Shroff है, अक्षय कुमार है,
A thriller.
अजय देवगन, काजल, रानी,
Biopic.
आमिर खान.
Horror.
Horror, शर्वरी वाघ.
I was thinking that only. Comedy.
आमिर खान.
If not Jaideep, who think you can play that role of intense Maharaj?
इरफान खान.
Okay, I'm naming 2 Bollywood trios. And tell me, if you do a film with them, what would you name it?
Yeah.
Salman, Amir and Shahrukh, Ranveer and Vicky.
अरे बाप रे बाप. Salman, Amir and Shahrukh. Ikka would be perfect for them. They are the ace of spades for everything.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And Ranveer, Vicky.
Farhan already has Jile Zara is perfect for this. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Junaid, coming to you. This is kind of a trivia. Say, how well do you know Amir Khan filmography?
Oh, good God.
Amir Khan's debut film as a lead.
He had done a film when he was 14. I'm forgetting the title of it.
Holy.
But Khair Holi se pehle
हाँ.
होना. But Qayamat se Qayamat tak is the answer you're looking for.
Yeah. A film in which he played double role.
A film in which he played double role.
Yeah.
He played double role in something.
Doom.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
A film of him which opened the 100 crore club in Hindi cinema.
Gajni.
Correct.
Yes. A movie in which he worked with Salman.
Andaz apna apna.
A movie that marked his directorial debut.
Tare Zameen Par.
A film which was nominated for Oscars in Best Foreign Language category.
Lagan.
Okay, I'm just
Ye.
telling the plot and you have to guess the film. Okay, 3 friends go on a road trip and discover complexities of love and friendship.
Well, it is Dil Chahta Hai, but you could argue 3 Idiots also.
हाँ.
Yeah, you can definitely. Thank you so much, guys. This was really fun and insightful, and
Thank
looking
you.
forward that Maharaj gets more love that it should.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, guys.
Thank you.
I am Siddharth Malhotra, and you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble.
Hi, I'm Junaid Khan and you're watching us on Bollywood Bubble. Please watch our film Maharaj on Netflix.
Please do.